Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 1500 tail light. This is an easy method you can do yourself. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off for safety before starting. You will begin by locating the two retaining screws on the tail light assembly. Now that you have your tools ready, take your Phillips head screwdriver and remove the two screws holding the tail light in place. Once the screws are out, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry the tail light assembly away from the truck body. Remember to apply gentle, even pressure around the edges to avoid any damage to your vehicle's paint. With the tail light assembly now slightly separated, you will see the electrical connector on the back. This connector supplies power to your lights. Find the small release tab on the connector and press it firmly. While holding the tab, gently pull the connector straight off to detach the wiring. Be careful not to pull on the wires themselves. Congratulations, your Ram 1500 tail light assembly is now completely free from the vehicle. Before installing a new one or putting the old one back, take a moment to inspect the housing for any dirt or debris that might have accumulated. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and screws are tightened properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.